Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to run Python code in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So let's start. So to run a Python code in Visual Studio Code, you must have Python installed on your Windows system. If you don't know how to install Python on Windows, then check my video link in the description. So once you install Python on your Windows system, just check the installation by using following method. Just open this command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, then type Python, press enter, and over here you can see the version Python version 3.10.4 is installed already on my Windows system. So once you verify the installation of Python on your Windows system, then first of all open your Visual Studio Code. Once you open your Visual Studio Code, then you can see the interface like this. Now first of all go to the extensions. Now search for Python extension. So over here, you can see the Python extension, this one. So this is the extension which is provided by the Microsoft. So just select the extension and click on install. In my case, Python extension is already installed on the Visual Studio Code. So you just need to click on the extension and click on install option. Once you install the Python extension in Visual Studio Code, then go to the file, click on open folder. Now you can open your existing folder or you can create a new folder. So in my case here I am creating a new folder called as Python project. Now select the folder. So once you select the folder, over here you can see your Python project folder. Now inside this folder, click on the new file. Now I am creating one test file called as test.py. Press enter. Now write your own logic in your test.py file. So in my case, I'm just writing one print statement called as hello world. So just I'm writing one basic print statement in this .py. Now to run this Python code, go to the run option and over here you can see the option start run without debugging. Now select the option. So once you select the option, over here you can see Python debugger. So select the Python debugger. So once you select the Python debugger, it will automatically run the Python code in Visual Studio Code. And over here in the terminal window, you can see the output as a hello word printed in the terminal window. So in this way, you can run Python code in Visual Studio Code or VS Code. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.